Hi, I'm Carl Timothy from Timothy Real Estate Group, and I would like to invite you to this year's Vallarta Real Estate Fair 2019 that is going to be held on Saturday, February 16th between 9 o'clock in the morning and 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's guaranteed to be a fun day and an event that is going to be full of information for those of us who like to live here and for those of us who like to visit. We're also going to have a panel of speakers at 10:30 that includes U.S. accountants, Canadian accountant, Mexican accountant, and a representative from Monex Bank who's going to be able to talk to us about investments. These accountants will be giving us an update on taxes and the changes in taxes and how we can handle our taxes in both here in Mexico and in a foreign location. At 12 o'clock, we have the opportunity to have Pamela Thompson from Healthcare Resources. She's going to be spearheading a panel that will be talking about medical care that's available here in Puerto Vallarta, medical insurance that's available, how all of that applies, and how we can make the most of our experience here in Puerto Vallarta. Again, the fair will be on Saturday, February 16th from 9 to 2 in the afternoon. And I hope I will have the opportunity to meet you personally at the fair. Thanks.